Well, good morning, people. Today was Trish's first day back to school. So guess who I have today? What are you saying, huh? He's riding a motorcycle. Huh? You riding your motorcycle? I haven't been alone with this little man for quite a while. You are so silly. You are so silly. And I'm hoping I can figure this out, because he gets mad and I can't fix it. And guys, when you got a baby, what do you do when you gotta go to the bathroom? I don't know how to do this. It's nap time. It's definitely nap time. But he won't nap unless you're holding him or carrying him around. He thinks I'm gonna put him down, which I will attempt later. And he took a short nap, and now he's in a much better mood, huh? Puppy monkey baby. Puppy monkey baby.
I want a kiss. Mwah.
Guys, we just had a blowout. You just pooped all over me. You pooped all over me. Why you do this? Why? And all over the floor. Yay. He just needed his mama. Grayson wants to karate too.
Don't chop your baby. Nobody going like that. It is so funny. You love her.
Hey guys, we want to thank you for watching our videos and coming and hanging out with us. If you guys like watching our videos, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down there below. Show us some love and we'll keep making some fun videos.